Okay guys, this is I guess you can call it a post unboxing review of the Champion model number 10059 4375 starting watts and 3500 running watts generator, which is plenty for what I'm going to be using it for. As you can see, I went ahead and purchased the wheel kit with it because it doesn't come with it. But I only paid about, goodness, it was, I want to say the price was like $314, and then I got my military discount, which was 10% off, and so I paid less than $300 for this generator, which is a great deal. Reason I'm doing this review is they'll actually give you a free t-shirt if you send in a link to your YouTube review. And plus, I didn't see but one other review of this particular generator. So I'm just, like I said, just doing a post unboxing review. As you can see, I have not even filled it with oil as of yet, but I'm about to do that and fill it up with gasoline and fire this puppy up, and we'll see what she'll do. Anyway, thanks for watching.